SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus emerged in December 2019 as a novel human pathogen causing a severe acute respiratory syndrome called COVID-19. In the following months, the disease has spread internationally and was declared a pandemic by the World Health Organization on March 11, 2020. Here at the University of Glasgow, we lead efforts to both research COVID-19 and support the UK and Scottish governments and the National Health Service's efforts against the pandemic by hosting a major COVID-19 testing facility here in Glasgow. The research at the MRC-University of Glasgow Centre for Virus Research includes fundamental studies to understand the nature of the SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus. Genomic sequencing and bioinformatics analysis of the virus from patient samples will help track linkages of the population in an effort to shut down ongoing transmission in real time. The resulting data will also help identify potential therapies. You can find links in the description to learn more about our work on COVID-19 at the University of Glasgow. This video wants to highlight to the community that the University of California, Santa Cruz Genomics Institute has fast-tracked the UCSC Genome Browser for the SARS-CoV-2 genome. This went live on April 2nd, 2020. The Genome Browser aims to facilitate genome research by offering data visualization, genome annotations, and other tools. And you can find it at these following links. There are 3 mirror sites which are all the same as each other and are maintained by UCSC. And you should use the one that's closest to you wherever you are in the world. And it's just the address of the Genome Browser followed by /COVID-19. The links are in the description. The SARS-CoV-2 Genome Browser currently contains tracks for gene annotations, protein alignments, the features of those proteins, and there is variant data and multiple genome alignments of other bat-derived coronaviruses, and those alignments have been produced by the UCSC team. More tracks and resources will inevitably be added in the coming weeks, but researchers can dynamically interact with the browser now and upload their own custom data. Look out for other videos on this channel that help users who are new to the UCSC browser. The video tutorials will help users familiarize themselves with the Genome Browser, optimize the display, upload their own custom data, save and share sessions, and generate the highest quality outputs for publications. We hope this resource will be helpful in your understanding of COVID-19. Please support us by liking this video so others can see it, and consider subscribing for more informative content, especially on using the UCSC Genome Browser. Leave a comment below if you thought this video was helpful or if there's any further information you would like to share with us and the wider community. Refer to the description notes for links to trusted COVID-19 research resources. Thank you.